Hi, my name is Jin-Hyeok Yang, and I'm a Smart City Project Manager of Korea Telecom. I have more than 10 years experience in smart city projects all over the world, like Malaysia, Indonesia, Korea, United Arab Emirates, and Qatar.
I understand that your smart city strategy in Korea consists of platform, data, and people. Maybe you could share more a bit with our audience as well on what these three things mean.
Okay, so platform means that the platform can be our brain of the city operation. So all the data from the sensors can be delivered to the platform, and platform transform the data into information, and information is delivered and shared through the network infrastructure to the relevant organizations and other smart city services. And data is, we can say, there are big data and open data. So analyzing the pattern of big data and reflect them on the city's policy making and decision making. And open data means that data that anyone can access, use, and share. So the local governments and central government need to open their data. And the last one, people, is that we have already listened to a lot of things from about the private and public partnership, but we have to add people in the partnership, so we can say private, public, and people partnership.
So you mentioned that you worked in Korea, Malaysia, Qatar,
The United Arab Emirates and Indonesia.
So in all these countries, right, to implement a smart city strategy, right, what are the similarities that we can actually learn from Korea and put into all these countries?
So I found that Malaysia is quite similar to Korea because there are many greenfield projects in Malaysia, like Korea. So we can leverage that government-driven policies and strategy into the developing smart city.
Is there any advice that you can give to the government, or any advice that you can give to the government or partners or vendors in Malaysia when they want to build this sustainable smart city?
Yeah, so the regulation always lags behind the technology. So government needs to ease the regulation for building the smart city the services and technology, like Uber. So because of the regulation that these disruptive services cannot be implemented in the smart city, so governments should consider that perspective.
So you've been in our event for one whole day today.
Yeah.
Maybe you can share some of your major takeaways in Asia IoT Business Platform.
Yeah, I was very impressed by the Malaysian IoT industry. So government is very proactive on the IoT industry development, and I was also surprised that Malaysia is nine countries of the which has the IoT working group led by government. And while I was in benchmarking for smart cities a few years ago, that we benchmarked Malaysia digital corridor as well. So I believe that these IoT platform will help the Malaysia to lead the global IoT industry.
Okay, thank you so much for your
Thank
time,
you.
Mr. Yang. Thank you.